Securing your Zopa savings account is crucial to protect your funds and personal information from unauthorized access. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the steps to ensure your account is safe and secure. First, it is essential to understand the importance of strong passwords. Your Zopa savings account password should be unique and complex, consisting of a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name, birth date, or common words. To create a strong password, go to the Zopa website and log into your account. Click on your profile and select the password reset option. Enter your current password and create a new one that meets the security requirements. It is recommended to change your password every few months to maintain maximum security. Next, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This feature requires a verification code sent to your registered phone or email in addition to your password. To enable two-factor authentication, go to your account settings and select the security option. Follow the instructions to set up the authentication method of your choice. Another critical step is to monitor your account activity regularly. Log into your account frequently to check for any suspicious transactions or changes. If you notice any unusual activity, contact Zopa customer support immediately to report the issue and take necessary actions to secure your account. It is also vital to keep your personal and contact information up to date. Ensure your email address, phone number, and home address are current and accurate. This will help Zopa to contact you in case of any security concerns or issues with your account. In addition, be cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your Zopa savings account. These networks may not be secure, and your information could be compromised. Instead, use a private and secure connection to log into your account. Finally, stay informed about phishing scams and other types of cyber attacks. Be wary of emails or messages that ask for your sensitive information or prompt you to click on suspicious links. Zopa will never ask for your password or security information via email or phone, so be cautious of such requests. By following these steps and best practices, you can significantly enhance the security of your Zopa savings account. Remember to stay vigilant and proactive in protecting your account and personal information. If you have any concerns or questions, contact Zopa customer support for assistance and guidance.